Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the most common and powerful vulnerabilities in web applications, SQL injection. We are going to walk through a real PortSwigger Web Security Academy lab, step by step using Burp Suite, and I will explain every part even if you are a complete beginner. By the end of this video, you will know how to spot SQL injection in a URL, inject payload, and retrieve hidden data from the database. Let's get started. This lab teach you a classic SQL injection scenario manipulating a where clause in a SQL query. These flows are still common in real-world apps. They are used to dump database, bypass filters, and steal hidden content, and they are one of the first things bug bounty hunters look for. This is a beginner level lab, but the skill you will gain are absolutely essential if you are getting into ethical hacking or web pen testing. Alright, here's how to set things up. Head to the PortSwigger Web Security Academy. Login and open the lab title SQL Injection Vulnerability in Where Clause, allowing retrieval of hidden data. Click Access the lab. It will open a new tab with the product page, something like this. Now launch Burp Suite. Okay, I already launched Burp Suite, right? You can search this Burp Suite and click here, and you can launch this Burp Suite. Okay, so now go to the proxy tab and open browser. Now please copy the web page URL and paste it here and hit enter. Now you can see that web page is appear here. Now switch on the intercept and click on forward. Right, so now let's try 3 different SQL injection payloads and understand what each one does. First one is single quote. So I click one tab. I choose clothes, shoes and accessories tab. I click this tab. Then I go to my Burp Suite page. Now I can see get request appear here. Now I click that here. Okay, now I type a single quote here and click forward. Now let's see what happened. Now we can see our web page is not appear. So now we can understand this is a syntax error, and that's good. It means the site is vulnerability. So our test is if SQL injection is possible. Okay, now let's try our second step. Second step is I am going to try single quote and double commented. Okay, so I click again same tab. Okay, before first I click again intercept on and click this again. Okay, Now I can see my get request here. Now I type single quote and double comment. Now I again hit forward. Now we can see 4 product here. Okay, before enter this single quote and double comment, we can only see 3 product, but now we can see 4 product. Okay, so it means either it's filtering only bypass hidden data. Okay, so now let's try our third step. So that is the corrected step. Okay, so please switch on the intercept off and refresh your web page. Then you can see your web page is come current status. Then switch on again intercept and click forward button, and I click again clothes and shoe and accessory tab. Then we can see our get request appear this Burp Suite. Now I click again here. Now I am going to type here single quote plus or plus 1 equal 1 double comment. Okay, so now let's see what happened. If I enter forward, then we can see number of list of product appear our web page. Okay, now I am switch off intercept. What we can see? We can see congratulations, you solved the lab. It means we successfully completed this lab. Okay. Okay. That's it for today's lab walkthrough. You just learned how SQL injection work in workflows, how to use Burp Suite to inject payloads, and how to extract hidden data from vulnerable application. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and tell me the comments if you want me to do the next SQLi lab. Union select injection. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.